Hey there, today we're going to look at how to make a website with Pagecloud. So let's get started. Over here, go to pagecloud.com, then tap on Create Your Site for free. After that, sign up using Google or enter your name, email, and password. Then select Website on the next page. Over here, tap Continue. Then choose the purpose of your website, such as small business, e-commerce, portfolio, or landing page. After that, tap Continue. Then scroll through the templates and select the one you like. Over here, tap Select. Then enter your site name and toggle e-commerce if you want. After that, tap Create Site. Then wait a few seconds to be redirected to the editor. Over here, close the pop-up to start editing. Then tap on any image and select Replace Image to upload your own. After that, tap on Text Blocks to edit the text. Then select any text and tap the link icon to link it to a page, website, or phone number. Over here, tap on a button to edit its text and settings. Then tap Add Section to insert new sections into your website. After that, choose a section and it will be added instantly. Then tap the three dots to delete a section if needed, and that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.